Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need a matching plan and capable hardware. Start now by verifying both. First, confirm your Netflix subscription includes HD or 4K playback. Without that, nothing else helps. Next, run a speed test and look for at least 25 Mbps for 4K or 5 Mbps for HD. Once done, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce interference and packet loss. Make sure the streaming device supports the resolution and HDMI version required. Now you refine settings so the stream can actually reach peak quality. Update the Netflix app and your device firmware. New codecs and fixes matter. Then configure router quality of service to prioritize your streaming device's IP or MAC address, which reduces buffering when other devices use the network. Clear the Netflix app cache and sign out, then sign back in to reset adaptive bitrates. Also check playback settings inside Netflix to request higher data usage. This forces better bitrate selection. Finish by ensuring physical and systemic factors are correct. Swap in an HDMI 2.0 or higher cable for 4K and HDR, and check TV input settings for the right color space and resolution. Restart modem, router, and the streaming device to clear transient errors. Test playback on another device to isolate the problem. If problems remain, gather speed test logs and contact your ISP or Netflix support. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a wired connection first. If wired works, the issue is wireless, not Netflix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.